Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I keep putting this off, but I have some beauty empties to share with you. So got all that in our cute little box here. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started and see what we got here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. I appreciate all those things so much, so thank you for that. And so let's get in here and see. Now, I actually have been going through and organizing my beauty stuff, so I actually have a lot more beauty empties, but I'm going to go over them in a different, I think I'm going to go through because I'm going to get rid of some of the stuff I've used, but I'm not really gravitating towards. So I kept some of those things separate. So we're going to start with our shower. I've shared this before. I started a new sponge gel. This is the Blossom Bliss. This one is, I guess, Blossom Bliss is the fragrance. The box, you can still smell it through the box. It's like, these smell so good. I love these in the shower. I use them. I use the sponge, and it the sponge with the stuff in there lasts maybe, they say 7 to 10 showers. I'm not sure exactly what I get out of them, but when the stuff kind of runs out in here, I use my body, and I have a back stock of Bath and Body stuff. So this is the Poppy. I went through it. So I just pour this on here, and I continue to use the sponge probably till this is out. And then I get a new sponge, and I go through the same old routine. So it's a sponge, a bottle of gel, and then anyway. So those are my first items I'm showing. The next thing, I'm just going to pull these out one by one. This is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now, and it's anti-puff, anti-dark circles. And I am on my second bottle of this because I had a backup, but I love this stuff so much. I don't know why, but I just really liked this. And so I'm glad. In fact, I knew I liked it, so I think I was able to pick up another one, and I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of that. But I usually do this. I usually use another eye cream too, but I like to put this on after I shower, and just anyway, it's just kind of a, sometimes I put it on my lines here too. But anyway, there's that. Highly recommend that product. Okay, another product that I love is the Glow Recipe. This is the hyaluronic serum right here. I think they fool you with, now this looks like it has some in it. I thought I even opened it up and got it out. The bottle's not, there's not as much in there as it looks like the bottle. I think the glass is really thick, but I do like this product. I get so many face products. I'm not sure I'm gonna, this is my second bottle I've gone through, so I have repurchased it, but I'm not sure right now if I will, because I have other products I use. And in fact, I'm eyeing this going, maybe I could get something else out of here. I don't know. I thought I tried. But anyway, so there's that. And the next thing, since I'm talking about Glow Recipe, I have all these samples: the hyaluronic acid, moisturizer, watermelon dewdrops, another serum. So all of these, I think I got these in a samples kit, and I used them. I used them on vacation a couple of different times. I went away, and so we used those up. So there's that. And the next thing I have here is from Estee Lauder. This is their eye renewing. No, this is their moisturizer. bone dry. So I do have several of these. I always pick these up in the kits. You know, I usually share the kits when I get them. In fact, they have another kit out right now, so I might go pick that up. And so I always have these on hand, and I love their skincare products, Estee Lauder, as well as their foundation. So the next thing I have in here is a Buxom. It was a I really liked it, but I think it's just not got much in it, and it's kind of old. So there it is. Just a nice little, I do like it. I like Buxom products. Probably won't buy it right now just because I have so many lip products. I don't really need to be buying more, and I get so many in my boxes. So there's that. This is something I loved forever, and I don't even know. This was an eye primer right here, and I used to love it, but I kind of have used other ones since. I do really like it still. It's called Stuck on You from the Beauty Crop. So it's not a really expensive one. I do have it on my Amazon storefront. If you want to check it out, you can get it on Amazon. So that's where I found it, because I was going to repurchase it, but I haven't yet. But anyway, I do recommend that if you're interested in a lower priced eye primer. And I have my favorite Benefit Professional primer out of that. So that's made my Beauty Empties. Okay, another very favorite product. This is the Biro face oil. I finished one bottle, purchased another so I'm using the second one. And I have other face oils, but I just really, really like this one. I mean, I'm tempted to buy it again, but I might try a couple of these other face oils I have before I purchase another one. But anyway, love this product. It's a little bit pricier product, but I've been able to get it for, I think I purchased these on, I think I got one in maybe a box or something, and then I purchased one on sale on the Ipsy site. So another thing from Benefit, you guys know I'm a Benefit girl. I love Benefit stuff, but this is the eyebrow, what do they call it? The professional brow pencil right here. Kind of is a fine tip, and it gives you good flicks. You know, you can do, anyway, I really like this. I think this might be a sample size, but anyway, I'm out of that. I do have at least one or two more of these, so I probably will definitely use those. And mascara, this is the MAC Magic Extension Mascara. Pretty much had its days, so I love this mascara. I love it. I like to put a volumizer over it usually, but this mascara is great. I have purchased it a couple times. I still have one that I can use. So anyway, there's that. Recommend it. And the last thing I have in here is from Elemis, and this is a Pro Collagen Quartz Lift Serum. I did like this. I like anything from Elemis. I don't know if I can get anything out. No. Actually, I got a little drop. It's just kind of a clear, if you can see, I barely got some. It's just kind of a clear, it was just a serum I used. I usually use a couple of different serums with a moisturizer every day, and then together, and then actually do a face oil over that. And so that's kind of my routine. But anyway, so that's it. There's my Beauty Empties and all these fun things. Yes, definitely yes. Anyway, it was fun. So there we go. that was the month. I don't really do these monthly. I just kind of do them whenever I feel, remember to grab them. I keep this box in my closet and I put them in when they're empty, and then but I forget to bring them in and actually film them sometimes. But I have more products that I'm going to go over and review and show some that I'm getting rid of. So I'll be doing that in an upcoming video. But anyway, I appreciate you guys being here. Let me know what you think in the comments of my beauty empties. And I will, like I said, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.